Madhya Pradesh Minister Vishwas Sarang, in a bizarre statement that has now gone viral, claimed that the country's economy has deteriorated due to the speech by the country's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on 15th August 1947. For this, he even advised the Congress party to protest outside 10 Janpath in Delhi. Minister Vishwas Sarang said that inflation does not rise in a day or two, and the foundation of the economy is also not laid in a day or two. The economy of the country has deteriorated due to the speech given by Jawaharlal Nehru from the ramparts of the Red Fort on 15th August 1947, Mr. Sarang said. The minister further added that if the Congress really wants to protest against inflation and the declining economy of this country, then they should do it outside 10 Janpath in Delhi. After independence, if blame has to go for raising inflation by stifling the economy of this country, then it goes to the Nehru family, he said. Although this is not the first time when the minister has given such statement on Nehru. Earlier, he had said, once Jawaharlal Nehru came to Bhopal, the staff of Raj Bhavan realized that Nehruji's favorite brand, 555 cigarettes, was not there. After this, the staff immediately sent a plane to Indore to bring Nehru's favorite cigarette, which had already been delivered to the airport. The internet was cracking up over the minister's statement, as many claimed that they saw it coming since no one from the Saffron party had blamed Nehru recently. Historian Irfan Habib, reacting to the statement by Mr. Sarang, said, "One and only refuge from all failures that never fails, Nehru." Senior Congress leader Abhishek Singhvi was not kind to the BJP minister over his comments. Perhaps Nehru was also responsible for the idiocracy that you come from, Mr. Singhvi said in a tweet reacting to the statement. Here is what Mr. Sarang said in a video that has now gone viral.
10 जनपद के बाहर करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस देश की आजादी के बाद अर्थव्यवस्था को कुठाराघात करके महंगाई बढ़ाने का श्रेय किसी को जाता है तो वो नेहरू परिवार को जाता है। महंगाई एक दो दिन में नहीं बढ़ती, अर्थव्यवस्थाओं की नींव एक दो दिन में नहीं रखी जाती। 15 अगस्त 1947 को लाल किले की प्राचीर से जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने जो भाषण दिया था, उसी भाषण की गलती के कारण इस देश की अर्थव्यवस्था बिगड़ी है।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.